I'm at York Mill here waiting for the bus. Guys, I'm on my way to Oshawa, so I thought it would be a good idea for me to take you along. My bus comes at 1 because I missed the 12 o'clock bus, guys. So I'm in the mall, and the mall like is all locked up, but the bus comes at 1 o'clock. Bus, guys. I missed the bus recording. Can you believe it? Now I have to wait for the other one. The bus, I think the bus came early because it said 1 o'clock. Guys, I just went upstairs for a few seconds and I missed the bus. They said it might rain. I'm going to Oshawa to visit a family member, so I thought, why not take you guys along? So I brought my umbrella, and this is what I put my iPad on when recording at home, so I need it when I get there. Be on my way now, guys, but now I have to wait for the bus. Everybody that was sitting here at the bus station got the bus. The girl that told me not to leave, but I didn't know the bus would come so soon. But anyway, I think I'm gonna be ordering pizza, guys. Sorry about it being dark inside here, but I'm in the subway, so sorry about that. I'm traveling. See my shoes, guys? See how colorful they are? I thought, why not wear these shoes for Canada Day? Guys, comment down below and let me know if you like my shoes. So guys, I'm not feeling so bad after all. I thought I'd missed the bus, but then another bus came, and then the driver told me that I'm standing at the wrong part of the station, so I didn't miss the bus because I know the app says the bus comes at 1 o'clock, right? So I thought I'd missed the bus, but apparently that was the wrong bus I would be taking. So my bus comes in about maybe 10 minutes. So guys, in a couple of minutes, my bus should be here, and I'm happy to take you along to Oshawa. A two-story bus. This bus is really nice. While I'm on the bus, look what I bought for $3. Good buy, guys. It's a good buy. It's a perfume. Oh, I have to make sure I'm looking in the viewfinder. See, guys, I bought this for $3. It was on sale. The bus is empty. It's a two-story bus I'm on. No, I'm the only person sitting upstairs. There are like 2 people sitting downstairs. our destination. Hi guys, so I have finally reached my destination, and I thought I would take you guys along. I'm here in Oshawa, and I think I might be taking a dip in the pool soon. But for now, guys, I have my mango here. It's ripe. I'm gonna be eating my mango. This is what it looks like when it's ripe. And I ordered pizza, vegetarian pizza, along with chicken wings. Okay, so I'm just gonna have this first, and then you guys can join me in the pool. This is my kind of weather, guys. It's this type of weather makes me happy. Like, it's very hot. I love this weather. So guys, I'm just doing a voiceover right here. At this scene, I'm just showing you what I ordered from Domino's Pizza, because there was too much noise in the background. And for those of you that are not from Canada, today's a holiday in Canada. It's Canada Day, but you guys won't see the video until the day after Canada Day. You guys? It's really good. Vegetarian pizza. And I'll also take you guys along when I go in the pool. I was told that the pool is cold, hot tub, so I'm not sure which one I'm going to be going in today. I love Domino's Pizza. It's really good. The ride to Oshawa was about, from where I live, about 2.5 hours, but I enjoy the ride. I also have my water. Food is good, guys. It's good. And I hope all Canadians, or everyone that is living in Canada, I hope you guys had have had a happy Canada Day. I hope you had a wonderful day. The sun is very hot, guys. I hope you're seeing me fully, clearly. But as I said, this is my type of weather. The water is cold, guys. Hi guys, I'm having fun here. Warm and nice. Yeah, it's warm. That one is too cool for me.
Is this for your YouTube channel?
Yeah. I just started like 3 weeks ago, but it's a cooking channel though. It's warm, right?
It's nice.
Yeah. Happy Canada Day, guys. I'm heading home from Oshawa.